Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Ms. Rupali Paul with us from Purushottam. A very warm welcome to EQ, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you just let us know about Purushottam, like when and how it came into the solar industry exactly?
Actually, we came 8 years back, and they won some projects as a power producer, and we introduced ourselves as a steel manufacturer, and we are manufacturing from last 8 years, and we have done 32 gigawatt so far. We have 15 manufacturing facilities, and this year we are going to do more than 3 lakhs ton. So that is our achievement so far in 8 years, from 115 megawatt projects to 25,000 single project we are doing it.
That's great. If we talk about the USP of Purushottam in specific steel manufacturing industry itself, so what it will?
The USP is that we have a command on raw material. We procure when it is not even required. We have a stock of almost 30,000 metric ton with us. So we are not relied on getting order, then we will get material. We are just on time, and we treat our clients as a partner. And the quality is the major SOP of Purushottam, because we don't compromise on quality, timeline, deliveries, and price. So that all three makes Purushottam special.
Okay, if we talk about the roadmap of Purushottam, so roadmap will be for pricing and product ranges or the projects that are in pipeline?
Roadmap is like huge. This year only we will acquire 3 lakhs, more than 3 lakhs metric ton. It's a huge number. That means we will be doing 16 gigawatt in a year this year. And definitely because of this, nothing is being compromised. We are opening new manufacturing facilities. We are adding our facilities for the roll forming machines. So no project should be delayed because of over capacity. It's not over capacity. We are increasing our manufacturing units.
That's great. So if we talk about the distribution, so what are the plans and strategies for 2024 as well as for 2025?
The plans, as I told you, we have increased our quality and manufacturing units, because it's a huge number coming across, and there will be a lot of work in solar industry. And Purushottam is proud that we have contributed in Ram Mandir, the structure which we have given to Ayodhya Ram Mandir, that is given by Purushottam, and we appreciate NTPC and Jackson. They have given us the opportunity to deliver that material and contribution to the nation. So that is one big thing we have done this year. So definitely future will be great, and we will be increasing our capacities.
That's actually a great contribution that you have done. And if we talk about like the Indian solar market itself, there are a lot of opportunities as well as challenges. So how you see for this industry?
Ma'am, definitely there are a lot of opportunities, but where Purushottam thinks we are focused what we are doing. We are not diversifying our focus from here and there, and कहते हैं jack of all and master of none. We are master of what we are doing, and opportunities, yes, there are a lot of opportunities in solar, and definitely we will be acquiring that.
Okay, and what's your view on green hydrogen sector if we talk about?
Hydrogen, definitely we are accepting the things come on the way, but definitely Purushottam will contribute with hydrogen structure also.
That's good. And lastly, I would like to ask, like, what your expectation from the industry stakeholders?
Ma'am, stakeholders, there is lot of investment coming to solar. Lot of new identities are coming, but we are number one, we are leading. But to become number one is one thing, and it is a more responsibility to maintain that position. So our expectations from the stakeholders that they believe in us, and we also deliver the way we are doing it.
That's great, ma'am. We wish all the luck and all the best for your upcoming future. All the best to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much, EQ. I really appreciate. EQ has been doing, I think it's almost 15 years we are associated with you guys, and EQ is really doing good work. It's all teamwork, efforts of all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your appreciation.
I really mean it for this.
Thank you.